Tac. Et on est reparti. Ok. Avant d'aller plus loin, je te propose juste de faire un petit tour dans la grotte, là.
Dans la grotte, le passage, là.
Ouais. Il n'y a pas grand chose, il y a juste des trucs à ramasser, en fait.
Ok.
Always room for more. These boots have seen everything. Be wary.
J'aurais peut-être dû te préciser de faire attention.
Ouais, sauf que j'ai cliqué sur désamorçage et ça m'a pété la gueule.
Ballot.
Même pas de jet de rien du tout, juste ça me pète la gueule.
No one back home will ever believe this.
Bon, après, t'as les bottes au sol qui sont bien. Que je te conseille, une fois qu'on a fini de tout ramasser, en fait, c'est tout simplement de se téléporter direct au... Comment ça s'appelle? À côté du vendeur. Donc à Aigre-Terre. Si ça te va.
Ouais.
Nearly there now. See the city. Up on the hill.
It's up there.
That's why she took in construction. The possibilities are endless. They were provoked. The child was poking and prodding them while they were trying
Refugees
to...
travelling alone, or any stupid enough to leave camp. Remind them that this is our city. Don't take kindly to parasites.
If you're a customer, go down to the shop. Otherwise, clear off. Well, given this is in fact the shopkeeper can tell you more. Give the lazy sods.
Seems like a good moment to talk.
Back again. Want a dagger? Or a bow? Yep, that's me. On the outside, but he's a softy at heart, like molten steel. Also, He's a living legend. Do you know he's won Best Smith in Rivington 7 years in a row? And he says that if I move enough stock, I might even get to have a go on the anvil. You don't know him like I do. The way he works the smelter, the tongs, the double-faced sledgehammer. I'd give anything to do what he... Oh, God. Don't tell him I said that, will you? I really love my job. Promise. Oh, yay!
Hey. N'hésite pas, comme d'habitude, hein, tu m'envoies tout ce que t'as, dont tu veux te débarrasser, et j'envoie la vente. Là, le fait que tu aies quand même récupéré un balai.
Qu'est-ce qui te surprend?
Ça me fait rire, c'est tout. Ok, on est déjà pas mal. Qu'est-ce que t'as sinon? Ok. Hop.
Want more? Want less?
Ok.
Soon as I don't care how big they are, I'll give them a piece of mind.
Viens par là. Je laisse ouvrir cette porte là, à droite. Et rentrer dedans. On discute un petit peu.
Time to get going.
Welcome to Sword Coast Couriers. To send and to serve. Delivery not guaranteed. Well, we've had to change the policy. Hard to send letters by road when there's a rampaging army of fanatics bearing down on you. I'll tell you, it's left me in a right pickle.
You sense there's more to his anxiety than a few missing letters.
one of the missing letters is my own correspondence. A personal matter, nothing serious. But you can understand if people think I can't even deliver my own letters, I'd be finished.
T'as vraiment décidé d'être convaincant, toi.
I suppose there's no harm in you taking a look. Here's something to get you started. Bring me the letter.
Ravengard, I think. I heard he's a good man.
Let us talk to him. Please. If you can just...
Par contre, reparle-lui pour un petit détail.
Don't suppose you've stumbled across those letters yet?
Voilà la première.
Gomwick, that's a real shame. Fine courier, he stumped how I'll replace him. Most want to get into the city these days, not leave it. Would much appreciate.
Va dans le derrière. La porte de derrière là. Oh, je suis par là. On peut commencer par ça. À l'étage. Je m'occupe de parler aux pigeons.
Name and rank, quickly now. There's a war on. At ease, at ease. I am Commander Lightfeather, leader of the finest aerial communication regiment this side of the Chiantha. State your purpose, Groundwalker. I don't have all day. Damned awful business. Fine flyers, a lot of them. Gone without a trace. Intelligence is in short supply, but we know our enemies flanked us on the west side, not one rooftop away. We're avoiding the whole area. I won't lose one more beak to the Blighter. If you pass that way, beware the sign of the featherless wings. From that rooftop, none return.
Voilà. J'ai parlé aux pigeons. Oui, le fait de communiquer avec les animaux, ça te donne des trucs très rigolos. Va dans la cour par contre, là, maintenant.
The Duke, Ravengard.
Et va parler aux gens qui sont là. Ça devrait te donner des envies de meurtre.
Woof. Ah, you speak, which means you're not a dog. So, what the hell are you doing in my kennels? It's the only way to teach him. He behaves worse than the dogs and makes more of a mess. Found him, did you? I can't say I'm surprised. Gomwick never kept him on a tight leash. Bring him here, and I'll give him a once-over for you. Check him for worms and so on.
Vas-y, siffle.
Scratch! Oh, it's good to see you, boy.
Long way to go still. Stop fretting. The steel watchers just stop there.
I can do whatever I please. He's my dog. Now get out. This is a private yard. You'll do no such thing.
It's not just Scratch. She's always hurting the dogs.
Shut your mouth, Dringo. Last warning. Fine. You think you can do a better job without me? Be my guest. They're a useless bunch of mongrels. You're welcome to them.
Voilà. Petite libération de... Ok. Petite recommandation. Va remplacer Karlach par Gale un petit moment. Je t'entends pas, hein. Si jamais tu me parles là.
Oui.
Wanted the easy path. Scraps for days.
We loved Father Logan as you did. You would never hurt him. He had nothing to do with his death. Fretting.
Oh, nothing would give me great... Wonderful.
I want to let those thugs get away with this.
Those cops works for the guild. They can get away with whatever they like.
What do you remember? Eye color, hairstyle, accent, anything. You should do the same. Everything you do.
Mummy, I don't want to leave.
Ouais. Tant qu'à faire, je dois bien en avoir un. Yep. Pour commencer, je t'ai mis un parchemin de vol dans l'inventaire de Gale. Apprends-lui le sort.
In the name of the Crying One, have mercy.
As luck would have it, we'll soon... Ha! So... Their collection... You'll have to forgive...
It won't help us. Fretting has let the children steal from him to start nothing.
Donc oui, je sais pas si t'as vu, mais Gale est un magicien.
Oui.
Si jamais donc tu vas sur sa page, tu peux voir son grimoire sur lequel il y a... Oh bah attends, je peux le faire. Je vais m'occuper de lui apprendre. savais pas que je pouvais le faire même sans avoir le contrôle de Gale. Oups là.
En même temps, passe-lui ces niveaux.
Je sais pas si je peux. Non, ah
Bah
si,
si, tu peux.
si je peux.
Et tu devrais grouper aussi.
Ah, tu me l'as... Ok, bon, tu me l'as refilé. Mortel, cône de froid, invocation de l'âme, domination... On va prendre celui-là parce que, mine de rien... Ici, prendre la bonne mortelle. On s'en fout un peu à ce stade. Je dirais que on peut prendre, tiens, la lame tenante, because. Et on va lui prendre le cône de froid. Et bien sûr, l'immobilisation de monstre. Voilà. Donc, j'avais dit, livre de sort. Ah, ça va. Voilà. 48 nouveaux sorts disponibles pour Gale. On va juste lui retirer temporairement ce truc là parce que c'est vrai. Merde, lui mettre ça, ce sera plus simple. Où est-ce qu'il est? Ah, il est là. Allez. Toi, tu peux rester là pour l'instant. Gale. Je suis pas mince. Et toi, tu... Allez, suis-moi.
That collar looks familiar. Does this cut belong to Gale?
Tu viens?
Ouais, attends 2 petites secondes. Alors, je dois être un peu con, j'arrive pas à lancer l'action de vol.
Bah, tu cliques sur vol, puis tu cliques à l'endroit où tu veux aller. Voilà. Allez, gramme d'un cran de plus. Ok, comme ça je peux tranquillement te repasser Gale à nouveau. Et tu peux le regrouper et aller discuter avec le chat.
My, is that a ring? For us? Oh, you shouldn't have. Enjoy yourself now, Tara. Looks like you've got yourself set up quite nicely here. She isn't my Trezim. She's my friend. And from the looks of things, it appears she's eating pigeons. Oh, right. Did you hear that, Tara? Stop it? Oh, she's agreed. Just about.
Voilà. Comme ça, tu peux récupérer ensuite les lettres. Et on peut descendre les rendre.
Les lettres, elles sont où?
Bah, appuie sur Alt, tu verras. Il y a un paquet de lettres. Voilà. Ah, faut que juste que tu penses à rebalancer vol sur Gale vu qu'il n'a pas la capacité naturellement. Il a le sort, t'inquiète. Sans ça, descendre, ça risque d'être compliqué pour lui. Voilà. Et maintenant, il n'y a plus qu'à redescendre. Tu viens?
J'arrive.
Scraps for days.
Don't mind if I do.
There must be something.
Allez. Tu peux aller rendre les lettres maintenant.
They were big. I was praying, and the gods don't deal with that. Please, my son. He's only a boy.
Don't suppose you've stumbled across those letters yet? Yes, fine. Just give me the letters. Still sealed. Thank the gods. You've...
Bon, bah voilà.
Voilà. Bah, tu peux faire une première sauvegarde. Si tu veux rechanger Gale, tu peux. Mais sinon, on va avoir une petite discussion à avoir avec certaines personnes.
The Duke, Ravengard, I think. I heard he's a good man.
Let us talk to him. Please, if you could just...
We have the Duke's orders, for the good of the
Never hurt him. He had nothing to do with his death. I swear it.
Fucking shapeshifter. She'll try to break our best asset, our trust. Fortunately, she's no match for our second best asset, me. No room in your party. What should I do? Let's hop.
Citizens only. I won't say it again.
But we won't clear from Arm. There's nowhere else to go. Please.
Allez, viens. Prends la grande porte, là.
I need you to step back.
La grande porte qui est là.
Bah, celle en face, tu vois, il y a des gardes qui...
We loved Father Logan as you did. We would never hurt him. This is front page material.
Non mais c'est une blague, le jeu il fait combien de sauvegardes automatiques?
Legit sur celle-là.
Still means murder. Still unsolved. City watch under scrutiny.
Halt! By orders of Lord Gortash, refugees are no longer allowed in the city. Turn around. Well, do you have the means to support yourself? Right. Article 30.1.5 of the Council's Decree on Extraordinary Wartime Measures. I am confiscating that. The city thanks you for your contribution. Your name? I'm doing the question. Last time. Name?
Well met.
Your parasite stirs. From the construct, you feel connection, resonance.
Not just yet. State your business. Eyes open, body still.
Behind the Watcher's gaze, a presence awakens. You are seen. You are known.
Whoa. My engine, it's almost, I don't know, buzzing. Like it's paying attention.
Your party's prior transgressions are reflected in its stare, as witnessed by the cult's ever-alert, scrying eyes. It has heard the howls of slaughtered goblins. It has seen the deep shadows of Grimforge, and the stone floors left bloodied. It knows the cold walls of Moonrise Towers, and the cultists who fell there. The Watcher speaks directly into your mind with a voice like poisoned honey.
You are marked for special treatment. Not simply an enemy of the people, but an enemy of the Absolute. Come quietly, or die.
Let's fight.
Please comply now, citizen. I will interpret.
Eat this, you pile of junk!
We don't need
villains. Take heed.
Allez, viens.
Is imminent.
Great headline.
Pas par là.
Pas par là.
Reviens. On a quelqu'un avec qui discuter maintenant. T'inquiète, le truc a suffisamment bugué pour pas qu'il me fasse chier.
Footprints leading right into that cave.
you think I want my clan facing down one of those walking death machines with cutlery? Then leave me to my work, only if you're quick. Now let me get back to...
Steel is silent. Stone is screaming.
The Steel Watch. They're a threat to you, me, and every man, woman, and child in this. A tyrant they invented. They've always been happy to provide their technology to despots in exchange for a stipend and the freedom to work in peace. They would have licked Saravok's boots, given the chance. And now they'll kiss Gortash's ring while this city screams.
I had a plan
To put a stop to them. But the way things are now, neither was Moonrise. And look, same as it always is. Eliminate the threat. In this case, the Gondians are ingenious, but we're more than equal to them. There's nothing they can build that the Iron Hands can't tear down. I've built something unique for just that purpose. A rune powder bomb. First of its kind. 50 wizards high on the weave couldn't summon this kind of firepower. Get the bomb inside the Gondian facility. Ha! I knew you were the practical sort. That's why we get along. The Foundry is getting the streets.
You blow that thing up in the right place. Walbran's counting on you.
Allez, faut qu'on sorte.
L'échelle qu'elle elle mène où?
Faut la désamorcer avant, hein, elle est piégée.
Ouais, je peux pas la désamorcer.
Je
peux utiliser, c'est tout.
Bon, je peux tenter, hein, je sais pas trop où ça mène. Sauvegarde pour voir. Ok. On va essayer ça.
Locked, but there's no keyhole.
Ok.
Must be a switch or something
Manque à
nearby.
levier.
I'll give it a shot.
Alors pour info, typiquement, si jamais tu ne libères pas les gnomes, eh bien t'as vraiment un combat à ce stade. Hein. Ou tu te fais mettre en tôle, au choix. Alors, je vais ramasser les plantes qui sont là. Si tu veux, tu peux déjà toi de ton côté remonter. Et pénétrer un peu plus loin dans la cité. Il y a un portail, comme ça je te rejoins directement.
What's hiding here?
Voilà.
What's in here? What's that?
Alors si tu veux, tu peux déjà rentrer dans le petit bâtiment qui se situe juste à droite, enfin juste à côté du point de sauvegarde. Tu risques d'apprécier l'endroit.
in a brothel.
Listen, it's got private rooms.
If you have gold, we have everything you crave.
You have the key to my...
What can Hoots do for you, strange? Ah, forget it. My new brew could drop you in the wink of a spectator's eye. Oh, you're one of those? My business. But you poke some folk hard enough, they're bound to squeal. And Mamselle Amira...
Parle là à la personne à l'entrée, là. Celle qui tient la caisse.
Take it however you want.
Something's off about this one.
Oh, good to see you again. He rented a room upstairs in the hope that you'd drop by. Ah, I forget. Carilla is my... Take your time. Have a drink.
Tu veux pas parler à Mamselle Amira?
Attends, 2 petites secondes, je parlais aux autres.
A mien. A sturdy dwarf, a leather whip. She gives, you receive. Or have I misjudged you? Am I? It's fee on you. Well, we've other ways to fill your void. A drink for one, a pair of drow for another. Choose your sin. Sweeting. I'm no fortune teller. If I had a crystal ball, I promise I'd already have consulted it.
Propose ton aide.
To serve 2 flights up, then turn right and right again. That's Fion's pleasure. I'm listening. Nisha, but everyone who's paid a visit looks quite changed by the experience. Indeed he did. Raphael. They're through the... You'll need coin and stamina in abundance to...
Alors, par contre, là, à droite, on a quelqu'un que tu connais bien. Et par là.
You can stare as much as you like.
Tu peux parler au monsieur qui est à droite là. Notre cher Arthur.
Nine hells! What? How? Whatever you think you know, I'm sure some gold would help you to forget. Please don't. What do you want from me? It's not my fault. I was forced to do this. They would have killed me if I refused to rig the toys. And they're definitely going to kill me. I can't tell you. I won't tell you. All right. Just don't hurt me. The teddy bears were an experiment. My greatest invention. Clever little device. It sounds terrible. I don't know who's in charge, but it starts at the fireworks shop.
His plea comes with an offering. a pass granting you access to the lower city.
Here, take it, all of it. I don't.
Business is business.
You're looking parched, sweetheart.
Else, darling. Another other hankering for spicier flavors. How about you give me a taste? I think it's time you shut your gob.
Don't worry your pretty head about the fist, love. I can play them all like a lute.
What'd you say, doll? Have a sip.
Darling, how you set me a quiver. You.
Et qu'est-ce qu'on fait maintenant?
I shall
Attends.
slake your thirst, dragon. Hoots! Order up!
On va juste aller un petit peu au-dessus là. Hop. Il y a quelqu'un pour toi ici. L'éléphant.
You're in safe hands.
You're absolutely sure?
Why must you busybodies my assistant? She's posted in the... That's quite the discovery. Doesn't tell me everything, though. Why was Lorgan killed? No. I want proof. If someone else killed... Come back when you've got some real evidence.
Oui, c'est un sac à merde.
Et bon, je peux égorger le cochon?
Malheureusement, non, pas en public, on n'a pas vraiment cette possibilité.
Mate, it's your birthday. You deserve to cut loose.
The librarian does this thing with her whip where you honour
Not a good time.
Tiens.
Such a prude.
Alors, tu peux déjà, si tu veux t'éclater, alors, plusieurs options, hein. Personnellement, moi j'aime bien avoir les ailes pour ça, mais il y a des portes intéressantes à avoir.
Sharessa's caress isn't just about wetting your whistle. There's dancing, there's innards, and through my books.
Exactly. Pleasure isn't just physical, it's state.
Tu peux rentrer là-dedans, oui.
Doesn't make any sense. It will when you met the drow.
These boots have seen everything.
Your parasite stirs, and you gaze at the nymph through the flaming fist's hungry eyes. Your muscles shiver with her longing.
What are you? Wait. I know you.
I don't understand. Jara, what's going on?
Your head screams in agony. A change has come. Pustules boiling beneath your skin, your bones twisting, your flesh rupturing. And so...
Let's have a look.
Tu peux parler à la dame sur ce.
Hells. I'd heard tales of mind flayers. Talons sharp as daggers and tentacles yet more fearsome. But no tale did justice to its ethereal beauty. Who? Oh, yes.
Her gaze intense. The woman's senses are heightened and her fire stoked. The Mind Flayer is no mere curiosity, but an object of desire.
Why should I deny? But perhaps there are other flavors that might satisfy my palate. I offer some rapture. Close your eyes and listen.
You see only darkness. Her voice shines through it, warmer than the sun, yet cooler than night.
The all you are more than
Your flesh shivers, your heart bursts. True ecstasy.
I'll remember you, and you'll remember me.
C'est tout ce qu'il y avait à faire ici.
Bah, disons dans cette pièce, oui.
Have to keep going. I'll take that.
Moan loudly in the library at all times.
Better not be cursed.
Any sense?
Let's go to Karlsgard. It has the most fabulous scent. It's perfect for a show.
It's just unpleasant to need something like this.
Je crois que j'ai trouvé un de tes amis.
Je crois que tu l'as trouvé, oui, en effet. Mais va discuter.
Give up a kidney for a talk. Is this safe to take? You're absolutely sure?
Yes,
Every
darling.
substance has been tried and tested.
That doesn't make any sense.
It will when you've met the drow.
Father, give me strength.
You must help me. Whatever you discuss with this...
One more thing before we begin, though. That was no...
Huh. What's the catch?
calm, I'll admit. You've impressed me. I wasn't sure you'd make it this far. But no matter how far you come, you're still on the road to ruin. A road that leads directly to a confrontation with the Elder Brain. At best, very perceptive. I can give you the means to break him free. I suppose you'd rather suck on the Emperor's tentacles till the end of your days? Orpheus is your only hope of surviving this horror show without devolving into an illithid. To you, he will... No, Orpheus. An ox requires food and the occasional beating to keep it moving. You are simpler. The Emperor's words serve as both carrot and stick.
Perhaps it is true that Orpheus would ally with you against the Elder Brain. But if he proves uncooperative,
The Orphic Hammer. An artifact capable of shattering the chains that hold Prince Orpheus is held securely in my House of Hope, even now. Isn't it just?
There it is. Of course.
I'm not asking you to... I want the crown that dominates the Elder Brain.
Tu peux poser des questions.
Better to have it in my hands and far from your
Non, ça va, pour le moment, je
world,
m'amuse à le
than in the hands
faire
of the
tourner en bruit.
gods and monsters that
Vas-y, de toute
fight
façon,
over
un des
this
principes de
city's
Raphaël, c'est qu'il aime tellement sa voix que tu peux lui tirer toutes les informations que tu veux.
power. I have craved it ever since the arch-wizard Carsus created it, long centuries ago, and brought Carsus's folly, the bards and scholars call it. I call...
Zariel wouldn't like that much. But even I'm not so desperate to spite her I'd put the hells in this bastard's hands.
I am no mortal, and I do not fail. The archdevil Mephistopheles snatched up the crown and squirreled it away in one of his vaults. He is not more than a frigid archivist. So much... Yes, they must have raided Mephistopheles' vault. Impressive. It is inevitable. When you destroy the brain, and you will...
Take Raphael's deal and you could free Orpheus. With Orpheus free, you would have no need to rely on the Emperor. But there's no guarantee that Orpheus would be on your side. And if you take the deal, you'll have to fulfill it. You'll have to deliver the crown of Carsus to the devil himself.
La 3 et la 4 sont sexy.
I won't stop you. If you see reason...
Shouldn't have wished to live in more interesting times.
There you... Something was blocking me from
On va où maintenant?
Raphael. Of course. The stench of him.
Attends.
And what did he
Il y a
want
l'empereur
with
qui
you?
parle.
Giving a devil what he wants sounds like a brilliant idea. And what did he offer you in return for bringing it to him? I am glad you had the sense to turn him down. But it's anything that threatens our alliance. So I ask you again. What were the terms of the deal he offered you? An horrendous. Imagine a crown of sufficient power to dominate an Elder Brain atop a devil's head. You would be trading one epoch. Thank you for telling me. And now, we must be doubly on our guard. The devil is like a cockroach. I doubt this will be the last time. I trust that you will continue. Without my protection, you cannot defeat the Elder Brain. You cannot even get close.
Voilà. On va descendre parler avec les missions qui sont dessous.
Of course. Set your worries.
Mate, it's your birthday. You deserve to cut loose.
Variant thing with a whip wave on all fours and such a prude.
Birthday boy's just nervous, but don't worry. Everyone at Sharess's caresses.
Tell me you took the devil's deal. Tell me you will free Gith's heir.
Tu peux partir sur la 4 directement.
I did not come this far for you, and yet it seems I have. Find a way to retrieve the hammer and free Orpheus from the prism. I will assemble his remaining honor guard and plan our next actions. Together, we will yet free the true heir of Gith's blessed empire. He will free us from Vlaakith and lead our Kithraki against the Geich. Istik, I will wait in the underground. Seek me when you have the hammer in hand.
Et là, je prends la
The
haine.
Prince of the
Ok.
Comet aches for Githyanki liberation more than he abhors Geich. He might seethe when you free him. He might gnash his teeth and slander your name. But he will see reason. I promise you. A devil of Raphael's stature does not simply make camp on the... He must keep the Orphic hammer that every house has an entrance, Istik. Even those in the Hells. You must find it.
You are wasting your time.
Allez, on n'a plus qu'à descendre. Là, on a fait le tour.
Which means we're getting a real room.
Alors, je te conseille d'aller chercher Astarion pour la suite.
Ah bon, pour un deuxième roublard?
Non, il faut Astarion.
C'est pareil.
Variant is this thing with a whip wave on all fours.
Sauf que là, c'est lui que j'ai envie de tuer.
Sharess's caress also has roots.
We are not staying in a brothel.
Listen, it's got private rooms, music, and all-round pleasant folks, from what I've heard.
And if a patron confuses me for a member of staff,
I'd probably break his nose. Good point.
Sharess's caress isn't just about wetting your whistle. It's dancing in a dream.
why does Worms Crossing have so...
I'm here. I won't let anything happen to you.
Look at you. You're exhausted. You've been pulling all nighters.
Spoil sport. Well, what do you want? If you're not... Perhaps if you lost a follower. Well, in that case...
Allez, viens.
J'arrive.
Non, l'entrée en bas, pardon.
Here goes nothing.
Hear me out. Sharess's caress also has rules.
We are not staying in a brothel.
Everyone in Sharess's caress is a... It's got private rooms, music, and all-round pleasant folks.
So many victims for Cazador here. They're the kind of people no one would ever miss.
On va faire un petit tour à l'étage.
Word to the wise. Give that ill-mated temple a wide berth. Rude buggers. Certainly not bringing... Does that excuse being rude? Exclude... They wouldn't let me in. Spouted some tripe about my sort and absolutist murderers. I only wanted to sit down a minute. So did I. Let me show you. Pleasure doing business.
We should go. I do not want to face the Master if we're late for his Black Mass.
Soon, sister. I only need one more mark.
We have enough for the Master. No more needed.
It's not for the Master, it's for me. I spent 100 years eating rats. Of course, he heard about the ritual and the power.
Is he hiding? Tell me!
Brother! Please!
You heard them.
The Master is preparing the Black Mass. Beneath his palace, there's a defiled chapel. It was hidden there the entire time, hidden from us all.
What the hell's happened to you, Astarion? What are you?
I'm more than what I was. And I'm not afraid of any. Now go, before I change my mind about roasting you. Poor fools. They actually think Cazador will save them. They're no threat to us. And they have no choice but to do Cazador's bidding. I pity them. Worst of all, they don't know their fate's already set. They're doomed. The only question is whether their lives will be sacrificed to a monster like Cazador, or serve a greater purpose. 7 sigils on 7 spawn. And Cazador has the other 6. We have to face him and take that power for ourselves. Well, yes. We are a team, aren't we? You are still with me.
Ok. Là, on va devoir passer à un endroit un petit peu plus éloigné. Donc, afin d'être sûr... Hop. Vers ça. Voilà. Et on ferme. Au revoir. Suis-moi. Je te laisse ouvrir l'armoire.
No traps, please.
Voilà.
Blood near the bed.
I know this key. It's identical to the one held by that corpse in the tunnels.
A list of names. Father Logan's on here. What's up? A target list, perhaps?
Father Logan's name is written here too.
Voilà. Là, on a fait le tour.
Such a prude.
Birthday boy's just nervous, but don't
Allez.
worry. Everyone is Sharess's caress is a...
Oops.
Do you have someone waiting for you to start? A sweetheart, perhaps?
It's got private rooms.
No sweethearts,
and
no.
all round pleasant folks.
I prefer them savory.
Sharess's caress isn't just about wetting.
This is what I get for trying to strike up conversation.
Probably break his house.
Exactly. Pleasure
This
isn't
way.
just physical, it's a state. It will when you bet the drown.
Maintenant, tu peux retourner parler à la... Comment elle s'appelle? La chef du bordel.
The flop house. It has
Still
plenty of
breathing,
spare beds.
despite everything.
We can bunk with 10 other people and pray none of them has to
Rocks for brains.
Time to press ahead.
Here.
Murdered! Ye gods, the poor thing! Oh,
Oh, by the mother of cats, I pray she didn't suffer. I'll miss that face. Else, the regular
Sweeting. This is Baldur's Gate. I've seen more murders than a butcher's right eye. I have little coin. Talk with the Drow twin. Anything else on your mind, sweeting?
Voilà. Si tu veux t'amuser, c'est par ici. Tu peux parler au draw. C'est sur le côté là. Et là, je te laisse entièrement faire tes choix. Tu choisis ce que tu veux.
My.
Ok.
You have but to ask. And don't be shy.
Or, trust me, you don't want to miss my signature Mesobaranzan love trick. Ah, you're...
I'll be a little treat for you, then. This way. We have a...
T'as juste à la suivre. Des groupes Astarion avant.
Something to ask.
I suppose not nearly enough for him. Now, what can Hoots do for you? Ah, forget it. My new brew could drop you in the wink of a spectator's eye. Don't know about that, chap. Could beef you up, sharpen your tongue, or knock you out cold. Damn. First one's on the house. So, don't come bawling to me if your big toes fall
Ah,
off or your
sauvegarde quand même
tongue
avant de
calls
rentrer
in
dans
a
la
knot.
pièce. On sait jamais de temps en temps, ça peut bugger.
My business is slinging tankards, not hoarding secrets. I'd like to keep it that way. Have a look. All set, are you?
Time to pay Worm Rock a visit.
Oh, très sympa quand même ta tenue de nuit, je trouve.
Ouais.
Hop. Ah, ensuite, bah, c'est une partie, c'est pas trop mal. C'est là déjà? Ah. Ok.
The librarian does this thing with her whip, right, on her falls, and
Finest fish caught this morning. What'll it be? Come back soon.
En fait, tu peux rechanger et pour le suivant, je te conseille de prendre Jaira. C'est vrai que ça fait quelque temps que j'ai pas fait ça, ça se voit.
Tiens, je te passe le contrôle de Jaira pour que tu lui mettes ses niveaux.
Oh, direct. Alors, voyons un peu ce qu'on va en faire. Cercle de la terre. Parce que j'y vais sur la magie. Je suis pas fan. Allez, cercle de la lune, je le laisse à Alcine. On va partir sur le cercle de la terre. Cauchemar. La résistance. Le don suivant, bien entendu. On va commencer directement avec l'amélioration de Karak pour lui passer sa sagesse à 18, 19 carrément. Donc, appel de la foudre, protection, appel de la foudre, croissance végétale, lumière du jour, rapidité. Lumière du jour, rapidité, ou alors éclair et vol. Vol est toujours très bien. Et quoi d'autre? Tempête de neige fondue et... Ah. Oui, je rentre... Ah, tes rapidités sur ce coup-là. Je rentre celui-là, c'est quoi? De gagner une action d'être plus rapide de lui. Ouais. C'est exactement la même chose. En fait, ça dépend si c'est... Enfin, tempête de neige fondue, allez, on va voir.
Il y a un gars près d'un précipice, j'ai qu'une seule envie, c'est de le pousser. Ça fait quoi si je le pousse?
Écoute, je te conseille de se regarder avant de le faire et tu vois ce que ça donne. Question d'élémentaire restauration suprême, on va partir là-dessus.
Ah bah ça débloque un succès.
C'était lequel?
Je crois que c'est pousse-toi de là, ou un truc dans le genre.
Alors, le fléau d'insectes, le soin de groupe. Pierre métamorphose, flétrissement, bien sûr, on va garder sur ce coup-là. Bon, c'est plus cool, mais c'est un peu la violence là-dessus. On va manquer un peu de sort. On va prendre celui-là parce que faut pas déconner. De la foudre, bien sûr, on prend. Ok. épée nourricière et la place en mettre le métal brûlant, ce qui est toujours cool. La vague tenante pour mettre le mode guérison et avoir les deux options de soins qui sont cool. Ok. On pourrait pas être trop mal là-dessus. Après, il va falloir que j'aille voir. Hop là. On va l'équiper un minimum. Où est-ce que tu es, petit coffre? Tu dois être par là-bas. Il est là.
Ah, t'es au camp?
Ouais.
Je viens de vérifier, mais tu l'as pas, toi, ce succès-là? Pousse-toi de là.
Non. Bof. Ça peut toujours aller bien. Puis qu'il n'y a rien d'autre. Quelle arme? Non. Non.
Tiens, je t'ai envoyé une jolie tenue de nuit.
Oh, c'est gentil. Ok. On va mettre celle-là. Ok. Ça fera l'affaire. Deux armes. Alors, est-ce que j'ai...
Je t'ai envoyé plein de parchemins s'il y en a qui t'intéressent.
Ça marche, merci. Et alors, les casques. Jamais mauvais. C'est pas mal non plus quand je compare à celle-là. Ok, donc on va y aller sur celle-là, je pense. Ok, c'est pas ce qu'il y a de meilleur, mais ce sera toujours mieux que ce qu'elle peut avoir. Hop. Voilà. Désolé, ce fut peut-être un petit peu long, mais il fallait bien arriver à en faire quelque chose de correct. Merci. C'est bon. Je t'ai repassé.
Let's go to Calm's Gulls. She has the most fabulous
Good. Let them see you taking charge of your pleasurable destiny. If you are in need of some pleasurable assistance,
I'm not doing anything. I mean,
I sense some hesitation.
As if any of us would be so fortunate.
10 loaves of bread.
Ah putain, t'es rentré dans le truc sans Jaira du coup. Reviens par ici. Reviens là. Parce que là du coup Jaira tu l'as pas trigger encore, voilà. Allez, on reprend.
J'ai juste été perdu de proc, c'est tout.
D'accord.
Je me suis approché, j'ai vu un marchand, je dis bah j'ai plein de trucs dans mon inventaire, j'allais me vider un peu. Point.
Let's go to Calm's Gulls. She has the most fabulous sendal. It's perfect for a chef.
Tu m'avais dit aussi que tu m'avais envoyé.
Dinner with your folks.
You can turn off the char.
Blueberries. Thought I had a sale. You look tired, Harper.
I missed you too. They're already here?
Down below. Here's the key.
J'ai choisi quoi, la 1 ou la 2?
Ce que tu veux, moi personnellement.
Agreed. Didn't stop you here.
Entharl's no.
Entarl has been known to charge rent. Harpers have been known to ignore him.
Voilà.
Right, Sommy. You're on the... I would... Unless you're buying, then he can wait till the Soul Forge goes dark.
Sinon, tu penses quoi des parchemins que je t'ai envoyés?
Disons que c'est toujours pratique.
A pleasure.
Hein? Bon. Tu viens? C'est par là. Non.
I would, unless you're buying, then he can wait till the Soul Forge goes down. A pleasure.
Bah.
A very formal greeting, Geraldus. You are well?
Yeah. Geraldus isn't nervous. He's...
I understand, Geraldus. And you, Harper. Doesn't she remind you of our...
Jaheira's meaning is clear. Marcus was a traitor laying a trap. The same, it seems, is happening here.
Oh, clever cub. This is an ambush. Strike first, while they focus on me.
Can't afford to stay idle.
Morse,
Onward.
Ok. Plus intéressant si je blaste un gros coup. Donc on va blaster un très gros. Là il y en a qu'un, là il y en a deux. Bah, écoute, ce sera pour vous deux les gars. N'oublie pas que pour te déplacer, tu peux voler, ce qui est beaucoup plus rapide. Mais là, c'est un peu tard. C'est l'allié celui-là.
Ah.
Il est en jaune, il est
J'ai
pas
pas-
en rouge.
Pour moi, je vois pas son truc, donc...
Tu vois pas les cercles?
Non, je vois pas son cercle. Il est derrière un putain de mur.
Mais tourne ta caméra.
Problème.
Oh là là, je te jure. Alors, tu sais que je l'ai chargé à mort en sort, c'est pas pour que tu te contentes d'un trait de feu. Hein. T'as l'appel de la foudre. C'est un choix.
More of Orin's doppelgangers. How many has she brought to Baal's side, I wonder?
Mahler's mark. How many more Harper's dead?
Tu peux aller parler à l'autre.
À l'allié que j'ai trucidé, c'est ça?
Oui, que t'as essayé de tuer.
Best be on my way. Open up. It's perfect for a shirt.
Imagine seeing your watch upon for the first time.
I told you the armor was a ball.
What? By the Morden Samuel's curlies went on. Of course. Oh, clear out then. I'm guessing I have some tidying to do before the steel watch. Plenty. But I'll bend Jahira's pointy old ears when all of this is done. She'll owe me a I don't care much for your timing, but I like your gold well enough. Short father.
one, you madman.
Dinner with your folks.
Because I was playing the pragmatist. Oh, the point is, I'll have a better idea of what...
Moi, je pense qu'on peut s'arrêter là pour ce soir, du coup.
Ok.
Je te laisse sauvegarder. Yep là. Et puis moi, bah, je vais te souhaiter une très bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit.
On va dire à bientôt. Je sais pas exactement quand exactement. On se retrouve de toute façon la semaine prochaine, sûr et certain.
Oui.
Puis bah, n'hésite pas à venir faire coucou dimanche soir. Je serai normalement avec Zelfir.
Ok.
Allez. Ciao.
Ciao.